So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to open up a cash account here on the Questrade application. So for this demonstration, I actually do have a self-directed cash account opened up, but for whatever reason, if you want to open up another one, or you just you have a TFSA open, or whatever the case may be, go to the top left here, press on the three lines. Once you're on this screen, go to the top left and press on the green button that says New Account. Then either select self-directed investing or a Quest Wealth portfolio. For this example, I would just select self-directed investing, then press on the green button at the bottom. Once you're here, scroll down to where it says individual cash account, press on that, then go to the bottom and press on open cash account. Follow the steps this way, and what this will actually do is, I guess, submit your application towards opening up a cash account. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to open up a cash account here on Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.